Hello children, welcome back to a new session. We are continuing lesson number 8, mapping your way. We learned in the previous video about the different type of map, that is route map of parade and route map of Delhi. All this we have seen. Now our parade is having dance forms from different states. So children are enjoying dancers from different states. So they saw the dance of Karnataka. So one girl from their group saying that dancers from Karnataka were the best. So other girl is saying these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. That is, people from different states come to Delhi on Republic Day to perform parade. So they have to travel a lot to reach Delhi from different parts of the country. So another boy is saying, I liked Tripura dance. I liked Tripura dance. From Tripura and Sikkim, they have to travel far, but Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi. So that boy is saying that I liked Tripura dance, but Tripura and Sikkim, they are very far states to Delhi, but Haryana and Uttarakhand are very closer to Delhi. So you understood. Now see what is the next given. Map of India with all the states are given here. Then look at the map of India and find the state these children are talking about. Which state the children were talking about? See, first which state? Karnataka, then Delhi, then Tripura, Sikkim, Haryana, and Uttarakhand. Now let us see these states in the map. And you are very familiar with the map you have already done in social studies. Where is Karnataka? Here is Karnataka. Here dot is there. This is the place capital Bangalore. Okay. Then Karnataka. Then where is other one? Here Delhi. Delhi is not considered as a state. So this is the position of Delhi. Then which is the other state? Sikkim. Sikkim is here. See towards the east side. Here this small portion is Sikkim. It is written here. Another one Tripura here. This small portion. This small portion where the pointer is there. That is Tripura. Okay, so Sikkim and Tripura are far from Delhi. But if you see Delhi, see Haryana and Uttarakhand, they are very closer to Delhi. So these states the children were discussing. Now some questions are given. Depending on this map, we have to find the answer. Let us see the question. See, Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in north direction. Which state does it cross to reach Delhi? That is, Karnataka state is starting from Bangalore to reach Delhi. So they have to move in north direction. So which states they have to cross? Let us see the map. See, where is Karnataka here? So from Karnataka state, they have to go to the north side. North is on the top of the map. So to reach Delhi, they have to go to north. So which state they have to cross? See, after Karnataka, which state coming? Maharashtra, then Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. These three states they have to cross. Okay, so I have written the answer here. Which state? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. These three states they have to cross. Next question. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travels towards the south to reach Delhi. Which state does it cross? Same way, Jammu and Kashmir team. They are in the northmost part of the map. So to reach Delhi, they have to travel towards the south. So which state does it cross? So let us see. Where is Jammu and Kashmir here? Here is Jammu and Kashmir north and Delhi here. So they have to move towards the south. So which state they have to cross? See, after Jammu and Kashmir, which is this one? Himachal Pradesh, then Punjab and Haryana. These three states they have to cross to reach Delhi. If you are not able to see clearly map from the video, you can see from your textbook. Okay. Now see the answer. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. These three states, they have to cross to reach Delhi. Third question. Nonu lives in Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal. Nonu wants to visit his friend. So in which direction he will travel? That is, these all answers we will get from the map only. So every time we have to see the map. Where is Nonu? Nonu is living in Gujarat. Where is Gujarat here? Gujarat is the state which is on the west side of the map of India. Now where is West Bengal. West Bengal is towards the east side. See, just opposite here coming. So from Gujarat, he wants to go to visit his friend in West Bengal. So from west to which side he has to go? Towards the side of east. You can see here east is marked. So Gujarat is towards the west side and West Bengal is towards the east side. So where he has to go? We have to move towards the east. Is there any state which is to the north of Jammu Kashmir? We have seen just now. Jammu Kashmir is the northernmost state of India's map. So there is no other state. Similarly, is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? Gujarat also we have seen just now. Towards the west of Gujarat, there is no other state. Okay, now some more questions are there. See, question number 6. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 1 centimeter on the map shows, okay, right. 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer on the ground. Use this scale to find out the answer of the remaining question. That is 1 centimeter on the distance of 1 centimeter on the map is 200 kilometer on the ground. Now see first question, about how far is Delhi from Jaipur? See, if we measure, let us go to the map again. See the map. Here is Delhi and here is Jaipur. If you measure this distance with the scale, it is somewhat coming 1.2 centimeter. Understood? This distance from Delhi to Jaipur I have measured. It is somewhat 1.2 centimeter. So I have written here distance of Delhi from Jaipur on the map equal to 1.2 centimeter. It is the scale given 1 centimeter equal to 200 kilometer. So 1.2 centimeter equal to 1.2 multiplied by 200 equal to 240 kilometer. So out of the option given 250 is coming near to 240. So we can take it as approximately as 250 kilometer. 50 kilometer is not possible because if the distance is less than 1 centimeter only 50 kilometer will come. So it is not possible. So the proper option is 250 kilometer approximately. Next question, estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. The same way, if you measure, see the map, where is Jaipur here and where is Bhopal here. So this distance from Jaipur to Bhopal, if you measure, you will get it as 2.2 centimeter. That is this distance, if you measure with a scale, you will get it as 2.2 centimeter. So see, on the map 2.2 centimeter. How much is the distance coming on the map? 2.2 centimeter. So on the ground how much it will be? See, I have shown the calculation. Distance of Jaipur from Bhopal on the map equal to 2.2 centimeter. So 1 centimeter 200 kilometer. So 2.2 centimeter equal to 2.2 multiplied by 200 equal to 440 kilometer. So on the ground the distance from Jaipur to Bhopal is 440 kilometer. Now some more questions are there. See, look at the map and tell which state is surrounded by 4 other states. That is, which state is surrounded by 4 other states. So we have to see the map, then only we will get the answer. You see, if you see Madhya Pradesh, it is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. And if you take Himachal Pradesh, see, one is Jammu Kashmir, another one is Punjab, another one is Haryana, and another one is Uttarakhand. Here Delhi is not considered as a state. So which state is surrounded by 4 states? We can take it as Himachal Pradesh. Which 4 states? Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttarakhand. So these 4 states are surrounding Himachal Pradesh. So we can write the answer as Himachal Pradesh. See, so which state is surrounded by 4 other states? Himachal Pradesh. I have shown you in the map. Which state has the largest area? Explain how you got the answer. That is, the state Rajasthan has the largest area. How can we get it? We can get it from the map by counting number of squares on the grid covered by it. We have learned how to count the squares from the grid in the previous lesson. Same way, counting Rajasthan state is having the largest area. Which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? So 8 times bigger area in Sikkim. So if you see the map, Sikkim is a small state here. See, Sikkim, small state. And Tripura's area is a small one. So 8 times it is not possible. And if you take Uttar Pradesh is very big. So it is also not possible. So which is the other one possible? Which is the other one possible from the options? See, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra also bigger one, Uttar Pradesh also very big. It is not a 8 times of Sikkim. Tripura is very small, so that is also not possible. So which is possible? Himachal Pradesh area is 8 times area of Sikkim. About how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? We know that Rajasthan is the largest area or largest state. So area of Rajasthan is coming approximately 7 times the area of Punjab. That is, if you count the grid from the map, see here is Punjab. Its area is somewhat 1.5 square only coming, and this is Rajasthan. That also we have to count. It is not very easy to count because it is not the straight line. It's all are curved lines, so its area also bigger coming. So approximately area of Rajasthan is 7 times the area of Punjab. If you search in net, we can get the exact figure of area of Rajasthan and area of Punjab. If you divide area of Rajasthan by area of Punjab, also we are getting 6.7 times. That means somewhat 7 times. So we can write the answer as area of Rajasthan is 7 times the area of Punjab. So we will conclude today's session here. We will continue the remaining in the next video. Thank you.